We're making a smoothie today with the Optimum Evolve blender. So we've just got the standard smoothie mixture in there, some frozen berries, banana, baby spinach and coconut water. So we've got the blending jug on the base. There are two jugs that come with this model. They both have the tempered glass jugs. You know it's the blending jug because the bottom of the jug where the blades are, it's a rounded bottom, whereas the cooking jug is completely flat on the bottom. As for the lids, you know it's the right lid for the blending jug because it's got black on the inside. For the cooking jug, it's silver on the inside. So we'll pop the lid on first. Now the blending jug also has a vacuum function. So this has caused a little bit of confusion because when people use the smoothie function, they just hear a buzzing noise. So that's the vacuum feature, vacuuming all the air from inside the jug. So that'll occur for about 50 seconds. And then after the vacuuming's done, that's when the blender will start and will blend your smoothie. So we're going to actually use the voice activation to start it. Oh, before I start, good point, the bottom of the lid where I showed you the black, that needs to be completely dry. So you always vacuum first and then blend. You don't blend and then vacuum. So just make sure the underside of the jug's completely dry before you start. So if we use the voice activation and say, "Hey Froothie, hey Froothie,
I'm here.
make my smoothie."
Okay, starting smoothie function.
So our smoothie is done. So to release the vacuum function, you just push on the top and you hear that's come out. It's then easiest to take the middle insert out first before you then go to take the lid. Otherwise, it can be a little bit hard to get the lid off. Perfect. And there's a brilliant smoothie for you.